We don't chase the market, we move before it. We don't watch opportunity, we enter before the crowd. Here at Tech Zone, we move before the crowd. I am deep diving into the total supply and smart contract for everything. Hallo guys, welcome in our channel Tech Zoom. Für Leute von Deutschland herzlich willkommen, for Italian benvenuti, for French enchanté, for Spanish hola. Today we're gonna speak about TCC coin, and as you see, this is the application and this the Twitter of them because they not have a website. Right now they completed or they continue speaking about it and about update and something and until 9th of June and they stop. They will launch it at testnet maintenance and upgrade. As you see, they said in 20 days. So right now, uh, you have to understand this application. It's actually look like B network. First here, if you click on it, you will find the white paper and the mining and TCC transfer, but it tested not working. And as you see here, this is the ratio of mining and still in the beginning. For now, pay your attention. Say this is the part of most people miss it and regret later. The market doesn't wait. I track every change in smart contracts so you don't have to do it. Right now, subscribe now and hit the bell, or you will miss the early entry of the big giant big gain. Don't be the last to know. For this to I make a Facebook page as you see here in Arabic and English so it can help you to understand everything. Even I have a Twitter I posted in YouTube description. You can join us, and also I have our blog. You will find every smart contract for which project they already announced about it and every news about it. So if I forget some information, you will find it here. Uh, it's Arabic and English, and it's easy to understand even our social media here. So we'll back again to TCC, and here we can continue to white paper. As you see here, this is the introduction. It's not a problem at all. All of these are not a problem at all, but there are security and trances. It's about KYC, but they not say when. For the distribution, the total supply, it's about 100 billion. 80% as you see allocated for community mining, 5% for ecosystem, 6% for founding and core team, 4% for partner. And they speaking about roadmap not clearly. They celebrated for batch 1, batch 2, batch 3. Uh, First batch, it's about platform developing from 24 25. From 26 batch 2, it's about launching decentralized wallet, B2B transaction, and DEX centralization. No speak about QIC until now. For 26, they speak about business with partner and token and the token, upgrade infrastructure to support my millions of users. But right now we not get millions. But it's opportunity. So it's easy for you now to go first. I believe this project it's not so good, but also it's not so bad, and also it's a chance. We can miss any chance. For now, follow us in Facebook. We post a fast update there the moment ads drop, and our Telegram group is the most important spot because any sudden announcement or change gets shared there first. Always remember, the one who move early are the one who win, and we are always early. If this video give you even one valuable pieces of info, hit the like button to support the channel and support me. Subscribe and run uh, click on bell to get everything new. For now, I can say goodbye.